How to start a return online in Lululemon. Hi everybody. If you want to start a return online with Lululemon, you can just go over and follow out the steps and you should be able to do it easily. So we can head over to their website first and sign in into our Lululemon account or enter your order name or email if you're checked out as a guest. So you can head over to the Lululemon this page right here, the return page, and open up your purchase history section. After that, you can locate the order using your order number as well, and you can choose the items that you would like to return from this page. So if you're a guest, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and use your order number here. So type in your order number in the section order ID, and right below it you can enter up the email address associated with your order and click on submit, and that should basically provide you with what you're looking for, and you can start up a return that way. Otherwise, you can select up an order or find your order using the order number. And once you find it up, you can just go and choose the item that you would like to return. And once you open up the purchase details, look out for the option called return items and go ahead and click on it. Once you do so, you need to select a reason for return, such as size issue, damaged items, didn't like it, etc. And you can confirm the items that you want to send back, and the system will generate a return shipping label. You can print it out and attach it to the package and make sure the item is very good condition. Place the item in a package and drop it off at a carrier listed on the label. And once Lululemon receives and inspect the return, it will basically you know give you the original payment within 3 to 10 business days, and you can keep the tracking number from the return level until your refund is completed. And that is it. So that's it, everybody. You need to follow out those methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.